Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. As we head back to virtual work and school, we are remembering how nice the weekend was, right? Especially on Saturday. We had the brilliant sunny skies. We had temperatures in the 80s. Yesterday maybe wasn't as nice. We certainly had the clouds move in, and it was kind of gray and dull and overcast to wrap the day up. And unfortunately, as you guys are going to look out the window as the sun comes up above the horizon, you're going to notice that we're going to basically continue that theme, copy and paste those conditions. Not a nice day, actually not a nice few days out ahead of us. We'll get there in a second. But first, let's take a look at these numbers right now. 54 in Edison and Trenton, 54 in Hamilton, Atlantic City, 56 in Vineland, and 57 in the Cape May area. Winds right now aren't too bad. Out of the east-northeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but we are going to start to kick these values up after the lunch hour and then definitely by tonight. These winds are associated with Tropical Storm Arthur, who will be pushing offshore late tonight, early tomorrow morning. No direct impact for our neck of the woods, but it combined with an area of high pressure up to our north will basically work in tandem to bring us some higher winds, and we'll probably see gusts 35 to 45 along the coast tonight, even some gusts into the 30s possible tonight on the mainland and into tomorrow as well. Temperature starting off in the middle 50s, east-northeast winds at 10 to 15, a green light across the board on your travel. No issues in that department. Now, as we look at our big picture here, we have two things to really focus on. Obviously, one is Arthur. It is going to bang a right and head out to sea away from the North Carolina coast through the day. We also have an area of upper level low pressure that is basically right over the Ohio Valley. It's going to be stalled there for a couple days as that ridge of high pressure is suppressing it, but as the ridge breaks apart, it is going to find itself right here in our backyards and make things a little unsettled by the end of the week. So northeast flow, it's just not going to be nice. Cloudy skies, this is the result of that. And high temperatures probably only in the low and mid 60s today. By tonight, chance of rain southeast of Hamilton. A very small portion of the coast could see maybe a half of an inch of rain, but that's it. The heaviest rain is going to be offshore, and it looks like those clouds are going to be stuck in overhead going into your Tuesday as well. Sea surface temperature anomaly. It shows you where the warmest water is, the Gulf Stream right here, and that's actually where we're forecasting the tropical storm to go. I mean, it just makes sense. You got to pay attention to the environment. You can't just model hug and be a modelologist. Look at historical trends and you'll never be driven the wrong way. Your 7-day forecast, we are cool through Wednesday, start to warm up a little bit on Thursday, then by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday going into the big holiday weekend, things are incrementally nicer.